Quite recently, one of my students asked me how to use the verbs terminar and acabar and if they were synonyms. So yes, terminar and acabar are synonyms. They mean the same thing. Both mean to finish. And now I will teach you how to use it. Terminar and acabar, when they are used with another verb, they must be followed by the preposition de. So I will show you some examples for you to see what I'm talking about. Terminé de comer. This means I finished eating. Terminé de comer. Terminé is the verb to finish, right? This is another verb, the verb to eat. So when the verb terminar or acabar, whichever, is used with another verb, we must always use the preposition de. Okay? I finished eating, terminé de comer. If we asked somebody, did you finish your homework? We can say, let's open question mark, terminaste, for did you finish, or acabaste, which is the same, de hacer la tarea. Terminaste de hacer la tarea. So, hacer la tarea, this is a verb, okay? So, since we are using terminar or acabar with another verb, we use the preposition de. Now, if we use the verb acabar or terminar with whatever that is not another verb, then we do not need to use the preposition de. For example, a noun. Terminé la comida. Terminé la comida means I finished the meal. I finished the meal, right? The food, the meal. However, if we want to say I finished eating, now instead of using the word comida, that is a noun, we use the word comer, that is a verb. So, look. Terminé de comer. Now, since comer is a verb and not a noun, we have to use the preposition de. Okay? Again, we have to put the tilde here, the accent, because or else it will be read termine, which is a different word, because termine, without the Spanish accent that we call tilde, is the imperative form of the verb to finish, right? We are giving an order, a command, telling somebody finish, right? This is imperative. And now, terminé with the Spanish accent, this is the past tense for the first person in the singular of the verb terminar, right? This is present tense, or simple present, okay? So, the words change, and the meaning changes, and the pronunciation changes when we put a tilde, right? So, terminar, acabar, synonyms, remember whenever you use it with a verb, you do not forget the preposition. Now, if we were just to use terminar as a single word, like when we say finished or I finished, then we don't add anything at the end. For example, this is a complete phrase by itself. Terminé. Terminé means I finished, right? We do not need any preposition. I finished. So that's all. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write your comments, or questions or suggestions, and I'll be glad to reply. Thank you.